Assignment statements. In Systemverilog, you cannot directly assign a variable using only equal to symbol. You need to use any of the assignment statement available in it. There are two types of assignment statements in Verilog or Systemverilog: continuous assignment, and procedural assignment. Continuous assignment. The keyword assign is used for continuous assignments in Verilog or Systemverilog. In Verilog, only a wire-type variable can be assigned using this, but in Systemverilog, it can be used also with a register-type variable. A single assign block can have only a single statement in it. Its syntax is assign variable equals value, semicolon. Here is an example. A procedural assignment block can have multiple statements in it. Thus the block need to be marked with a, begin, and end keywords, if there are multiple statements in it. A procedural assignment statements can be introduced using the keywords, always, initial, final, task and function. As a beginner, you need to learn about always and initial blocks. Remember that, the Verilog flow control statements, which are, if else, case, for, and while, can be added only inside a procedural block in Tour program. These statements are synthesizable as well, which mean you can use them in your design code. Always block. Here is the syntax to declare an always block in Verilog or SV. Always, at the rate of, sensitivity list in brackets, begin, statements 1 to n, end. Sensitivity list is an indication to compiler when the block should be executed. If it is a block need to be synchronized with clock, it will be the clock signal, otherwise it could be the list of signal used in the block. Here is an example. Always at x, y, z, begin, y equals x, z equals y, end. Here the sensitivity list is all the variables in the block. Here is another example with an if-else statements used in the always block. To specify the sensitivity list as any variable inside the block, you can also use a star symbol inside the brackets. An example is shown here. If your circuit need to be synchronized with a clock signal, it should be specified as the sensitivity list. An example is shown here. If you want the circuit to be synchronized with a rising edge or falling edge of a clock signal, you can use the keywords posedge and negedge inside the it, as shown in this example. The initial block and final block in Verilog or Systemverilog are simulation-only procedural assignment blocks, and they are not synthesizable. Both of them will get executed only once in the simulation. Initial block will be executed at the very beginning of the simulation and the final block at the end of simulation. Here is the syntax for both of them: initial, begin, statements, end, and final, begin, statements, end. Both of them should be used only in testbench code, as they are not synthesizable. Initial block is commonly used to initialize values, and final block to print debug information.